So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, we're going to type in net space stop space bits. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in net space stop space WUAUSERV. Click on enter. And now both these services are going to be stopped. Now once you do that, now we're going to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once we're here, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. That's how you know it's the correct one. You're going to double click on it. And then click on Windows. Now you want to scroll down till you find software distribution. Here it is, double click on this. You want to delete everything in this folder. Highlight over everything here. Click on delete. If you get this, click on use full current items. And then continue. If you get this again, click on cancel. Most of the items in this folder will be deleted. So now once you do that, you want to head back into CMD. Now you're going to type in net space start space bits. Click on enter. And now you're going to type in net space start space WUAUSERV. Click on enter again. Make sure that it's now both been started. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And then you're going to find Windows Update. Click on Run. And now this will come up. You just want to go through this, wait for this to be fully completed, and then once you complete this, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.